capstones on top. Probably it was built by quarrying the stones further up the area, the valley, whatever we call it, and bringing them down here on a kind of sled. They found in some sites something called a shura. It's as if you took a tree, grew up like this, and then split into two branches like that, and you chop it off, and so then you have something like this, and you put rollers under it. You jack up the stone onto it, and have these rollers, and you can drag the thing along on the rollers, and move these great stones then into position, putting the first course in and filling it all with dirt, putting the next course on, filling that with dirt, and the last course on, and then digging the dirt back out again to create the chambers that we have. Building along the sides here a kind of gutter to carry off any sort of moisture that might seep into that sort of thing, because the idea would be to make this interior quite dry and stable. Because that was the idea that the deceased would be placed back into an area of no change, stability. In tombs where there are paintings, like the Takamatsuzuka and the Kikoto tomb and so on, one of the chief types of paintings is a star chart on the ceiling, with the 28 constellations, the pole star, and so on, which would be a kind of axis. And the idea was, presumably, that the deceased would lie under that pole star area, the place of a sort of stasis, no movement, as opposed to outside of the tomb, which of course is the world of affairs, movement, change, and that sort of thing, but being placed back into this place of safety, no movement, stability, whatever.